Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle, just in case you didn't know, now you do know. And today we have a bit of a haul, a bit of a review. So this video is kindly sponsored by Panty Drop. They are, well, they used to be like a subscription box that you could get. You just sort of tell them what sort of underwear you liked and they would send you a box of stuff. And I've purchased myself from them before, and there's a video on my channel reviewing that. That's not sort of what they're doing anymore, and they have transformed and made their own underwear based on like the perfect underwear. So they sent me some stuff to try out, and I'm under no obligation to give them a glowing review. That was not part of the deal. They just asked if I would like to talk about them in a video. So that's what we're doing. And I'm going to show you some of what they sent me. Some of them were like duplicates, like same sort of style, just in a different color. So I'm not going to bore you with that, but I will try them all on for you so that you can see. I will be trying them on over a pair of like bike shorts because I do not want to get demonetized or have this video taken down, removed from the internet, whatever. So prepare for me looking absolutely ridiculous later. I'm sure we'll be able to make a meme or something out of it at some point. Alright, let's get into the review. I'm going to preface this by saying I have worn these, and normally I wouldn't show you underwear I've put on my body before. Makes me just feel like I'm showing you my actual naked butt. However, I'm gonna make an exception, okay? I'm gonna make an exception, and also, please note that I have washed these since I've worn them, so there's lint on them. Anyway, so these are their Perfect Panty. At least I'm pretty sure that's what they're called. This is their little logo, that's the front. And I got a 6X. I read their size chart. That's what it said I should fit into. I just went with the size I buy a shirt in. Sometimes I buy underwear like 2 sizes smaller if I want them to be really tight. But I'm slowly realizing I don't really like that so much anymore. So I just got my true size. And yeah, don't really know what else to tell you. First off, the gusset in these is so wide. Like, it's none of that one side is falling out while the other is nicely tucked in. Everything stays inside your underwear just the way it should be, okay? You never feel like you're gonna get a front wedgie because, you know, it's just too narrow to contain all your bits down there. And yeah, it doesn't ride up your butt either. Obviously they're not like a thong or anything, so, you know, they just cover all the things. I really love this colorway. This is my favorite, like, color that I got. I love the contrasting, like, waistband and this, like, tealy green color. I just love it. And then, like, the inside gusset is a matching color to the waistband. I just think they're pretty, okay? They're pretty. So I got another one in that style. Actually, I got a couple others. So this one, again, same sort of deal, except this one has like a matching waistband. I think these are like a short. Yeah, I think these are the short. Because I basically gave them free reign to send me kind of one of everything, one of the styles of everything. I didn't go through and pick out like, oh, I want this one and this one, because I just want to try it all. So this one's a little bit less coverage from this one, but they are like the same size, as you can see, you know. Yeah. Didn't even notice that, but still equally as comfortable, and still keeps your bits inside the underwear. I really enjoy my bits not falling out of the front of my underwear or it not riding up into places it's not supposed to be. So even though I am not a thong wearer, I did ask to be sent a thong because I wanted to try it so I could give my honest opinion. Still not a fan. I don't think I will ever be a fan, but I will give you my thoughts. First off, thongs fit way tighter than regular underwear, probably because they're meant to ride up your butt crack, and if they're not really doing their job, right? So, not a fan still, but I really do like the, from the Caden Voss style or section of their line, their elasticless underwear, and I've got a couple other styles to show you. So essentially it has like a waistband. Okay, there's no elastic, but it's still stretchy. I know it's hard to see because this is black, but then we've got the thong bit on the back. So this is actually pretty like deep, and so it, you know, gives you lots to, I don't know, like, I don't like thongs especially that have like super shallow waist, because then it's riding up even more and like pulling it, and that's never a comfortable feeling. So yeah, anyways, still not a fan of thongs, but those were pretty comfortable. Just probably I would wear a size up if you would like a little more comfort, because they do fit kind of small. These ones were very interesting. They are like a boxer, not boxer short, but like they're a short, okay? So, they again have been washed, so they're a little like wrinkly and rolled up, because, you know, that's what knits do. But it is like a good short, right? Like, you could wear these probably, I won't because I don't live alone, and I don't live with like people that aren't my family, so they're not seeing me in itty bitty booty shorts. But if I lived alone or like with my partner, then these would be cute to wear as pajamas. They look nice on your butt, and they have no elastic, so they're really comfy to wear all night long. Yeah, and actually they didn't really bunch up or anything under my jeans either, so that wasn't a problem. But they would make hella good pajama bottoms with like a long t-shirt or something, you know? I quite enjoyed that. And again, a wide enough gusset that your bits are contained. Okay, so this is another one from the Caden Voss line. It is, again, the elasticless waistband, so they've just sewn a waistband on instead of elastic. There's not even elastic in around the legs, which I think is really nice, because I find a lot of times when I go to like pull my underwear down, sometimes I'll stretch it and the elastic will break, and or like the thread will break because it's not, like, it's too tight when it's around your legs, and that doesn't happen here. So I, again, really enjoyed these, like, full coverage on the butt. They're nice and comfy, and they don't dig in. Same sort of deal with the gusset. It's wide enough. Everything is staying covered. I'm sure if you've been on TikTok anytime in the last 6 months, you'll see, like, people talking about their tiny underwears and, like, whose cooter fits in that. And yes, I did just say cooter in a YouTube video, a sponsored one at that. But yes, it's true. Nobody's bits fit in those tiny underwears, and it's very annoying to think that you need to choose a favorite side, if you know what I'm talking about, to stay in the underwear, because you can't have them both in there at once, you know? Anyway, on to the last pair I'm going to show you. Same sort of style with the burgundy ones. These are, again, from Caden Voss with the elasticless waistband. I don't know what it is about this waistband, but I just love it, okay? I struggle so much with my underwear falling down inside of my jeans. I didn't know this would be a problem, but I find after a long time, seamless ones, oh, I hate seamless underwear, where it's just like folded over and glued, They are good to wear for about an hour before the elastic is so stretched out that one little like rub from your jeans and suddenly they're all crumpled up in the crotch of your pants. That is not fun, and I am forever pulling up my underwear from the inside of my jeans. Always. I do not understand it. Does anyone else struggle with this? Please tell me, because I can't be the only one, and I'm very frustrated by underwear that exists in the world. These, no problem. The waistband is nice and wide. It doesn't stretch out. By the end of the day, it's still sitting exactly where it is. And because they're, you know, taller and everything, they sit sort of like under the waistband of your jeans, like right there, so that it's with you and held in by your jeans, you know? Anyway, I don't know if I described that in a way that really hit the mark, but yeah, quite enjoyed these a lot. Love the color as well. I really am a fan of purple. Alright, so now that I've shown you how everything fits and what it looks like on, I hope you enjoy the overlay of me trying these on over my hot pink leopard bike shorts. You're welcome for that. I have a discount code for you. So the discount code is Danielle M. Okay, so I'll put it on the screen here. Thank you, me, editing me. And if you use that code at the link I put in the description, that will get you a discount. It's buy 4 pairs, get 1 free. So, or get your 5th one free, basically. Which I think is an awesome deal, because I never just buy one comfy pair of underwear. I'm buying a lot of them at once. So, quite enjoyed wearing all of these. It was the best week of my life. The most comfiest underwear, except for that thong. But honestly, I am not a thong lover, so that's not on them at all. So, if you're interested, don't forget, the link is in the description. Thank you so much to Panty Drop for sponsoring this video. And if you have any questions or comments about the fit or anything like that, leave it in the comments below. I'll be checking those as usual. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!